Can't figure out what the best gift for your gun-loving family member is? Welcome to Ghost Tactical. My name is Trey, and we're here to help. Let's go through our top 5 best gifts for your gun-loving family members. Coming in at number 5 on our list is the Real Avid AR-15 Armor's Master Kit. This kit includes all the tools you'll need to build or customize your AR-15 from the ground up. With better tolerances, upgraded materials, and expanded capabilities, every tool is carefully designed to make each job as quick and easy as possible. Some of the things that are included in the kit are a Armor's Master Wrench, an upper vise block, a lower vise block, a bench block, a torque wrench, pivot pin tools, punch sets, alignment tools, bore safety flags, front sight adjuster, and so many more. I have this exact one, and I absolutely love it and use it all the time. So check out our number 5 on the list, the Real Avid AR-15 Armor's Master Kit. Coming in at number 4 on our list are gun cases. Durable, watertight gun cases are the best tools for keeping an arsenal clean, safe, and free of rust. Whether it's a rifle, an AR, a pistol case, they can be used, whether they're hard cases, soft cases. A gun case can be used in so many fashions, whether it's just storage or if it's for traveling. A gun case is a great choice for a gift item for gun people. So check out our number 4 on the list, gun cases. Coming in at number 3 on the list is a gun cleaning kit. Whether you're a new gun owner or a seasoned expert, a gun cleaning kit is an absolute must-have. It's crucial to clean your gun after taking it shooting to keep it in working order. For me, I only trust the Aegis Gun Care products. Rod and Shelly Gates are friends of mine. I've been using their products for a long time. They offer a great cleaning solution and wonderful lubricant. But the cool thing about it is they offer it in some different packages, whether it's a starter's cleaning kit, a field kit that comes in a bag, it's got everything you want, or the ultimate gun cleaner's kit that has literally everything that you want in a bag that you can just take with you anytime. I love their products, but a cleaning kit is an absolute must for any gun owner. So check out our number 3 on the list, the Aegis Gun Care Cleaning Kits. Coming in at number 2 on our list is Gun Concealment Furniture. Having a weapon in your house is both safe and dangerous. You've got to ensure that the gun is accessible in emergency cases, while it also has to be concealed and out of the reach of your beloved family members and unwanted visitors. So utilizing concealment furniture is not just a way to be stylish and all of that, but you're hiding your guns in plain sight. Whether it's a concealment flag or a coffee table or a wall mantle, whatever the case may be, being able to stash guns in strategic and tactical places throughout the house is really good. Check out our number 2 on the list, Gun Concealment Furniture. Before we unveil our number 1 pick, we remind you to click that subscribe button and click the notification bell. You'll receive notifications anytime we get a new video released. And now back to the countdown. And coming in at number 1 on our list are gun safes. I bet most of you figured that gun safes were going to be on this list somewhere. Well, here they are. If you've got to keep your guns out of the hands of unauthorized family members and burglars, or just keep them in a safe place with your ammo and all of that, gun safes can serve many purposes. Whether they're large rifle gun safes or small pistol safes, you don't have to just utilize them for your guns. Whether it's storing ammo, important documents, whatever the case may be, they come with key locks, with keypads, biometric with fingerprints. Gun safes give you a lot of storage capabilities for a lot of different uses. So if you're looking for that great gift for a gun person and you can't figure it out, try our number 1 on the list, a gun safe. Well, now that we know that you've subscribed to the channel and hit that notification bell, what we're asking you to do now is to hit that thumbs up button or the thumbs down button. But you know what? We honestly prefer the thumbs up button. After that, come down below here and make sure you leave us a comment. We love hearing your feedback and we love to hear what you think about the video. Are you in the mood for some more awesome two-way content? Then make sure you check out our website, ghosttacticalproductions.com, and check us out on all of our social media platforms. And don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell to be notified about our latest videos. Till next time, Semper Fi.